Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, monthly time frame, I still think this is a 1, 2, 3 pattern. We are pushing beyond the 161.8, which, like, if you've been following my videos, you know that the 161.8 is only the minimum target for wave 3. Wave 3s can go way beyond the 161.8. I still think at some point we are going to get a big pullback for wave 4 and then another push up for wave 5, but it does not have to happen now. This thing could literally go up to any one of these higher Fibonacci levels, even the 261.8, before it decides to make a pullback for the wave 4. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I mean, it still looks like it could be getting close to a complete pattern. It still looks like a wave 1, a wave 2, and then all subdivisions of a wave 3. So like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and 5 of wave 3. My target for wave 5 was the 61.8, and it's also trying to push it beyond that. It might end up pulling back and still ending this wave 3 right here, but boy, it still looks pretty bullish to me. Going down to the daily time frame, like I said, it is pushing beyond my target for the wave 5, but it possibly could pull back and it possibly could still go down and take out the low of wave 4 and start a big push to the downside. But the more I think about it, the more bullish I am on all the dollar pairs. I expect all the dollar pairs to continue to be very bullish for a very long time. So if those are all going to be very bullish for a long time, gold may continue to be very bullish for a long time. So we have to be a little bit cautious. The trend is our friend, no matter where we think we are in the Elliot wave count. This thing does not have to stop here. It could literally just go all the way up and up and up and up for this wave 3. Like I said, it's not uncommon for wave 3 to go to the 261.8 Fibonacci extension. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, definitely looking for longs in an uptrend. My last structure is way down here, which tells me that even if it does make a pullback, it's almost definitely not the end of anything. It's probably almost definitely going to have to at least make that 3, 4, and 5 safe to even end any kind of a trend. So no matter what, I don't really think this uptrend is over yet. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely don't think I would be sorting it. Even if it does go down, it is very likely not the end of anything except for the end of a wave 3 and the beginning of a wave 4. Wave 4s are often very shallow, small corrections. For me, it's definitely not a desirable trade to trade a wave 4 on the 1 hour time frame. If anything, I would probably have to wait for the end of a pullback to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. Like I was explaining on the higher time phase, we are in a wave 3, and wave 3s do not have to stop at the 161.8. They could go way beyond that. So the trend is your friend, and that's why I always emphasize that the trend is your friend, especially when we're in a wave 3 on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.